Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about nesting classes. So in Kotlin you can create classes inside classes. So for the sake of example, let's create a very simple class. So I have a class box, and for this box I have some properties, for example width, length and height. Now I can create one more class inside this class box. So let's create one more class inside this class, and I will create a class named, let's say, content. So it is for the content of the box. And if you want, you can create one more class inside this class as well. Let's say A, like this. So you can nest your classes, you can create classes inside classes. Now the point is, inside this class you can have some functions. So let me create some functions. For example, I want to create a function that will print the content. So let's say we have a function print content like this, and here I can print the content. And let's say I want to create one more function that will print the box information. So I have print box info like this, and here I want to print width, length and height. But here is a problem. You can see I cannot access the outer class members inside this inner class, that is content. So for now I will comment this function, and let's say how we can create an instance of this content class. So what you can do is you can create an instance like this. So we have val content equals to box dot content. So if you have a class inside a class, you can create an instance like this, and I can access the function inside the content class. For example, I can write content dot print content and it will work. So when you have a class inside a class, you have to access it like this. But if you will try to access it with the instance of this box class, let's see what happens. So I have box equals to box, let's say 10 10 10, and if I want a content, and if I try box dot content, then it does not work. So we cannot access this content from the instance of a box, but we can directly access the content using this class name, that is box dot content. So this is one way. Another way is when you want to access the outer class members from inner class, then what you can do is you can mark your inner class as inner. Now it will take a reference of the outer class, and this time we can access the members of the parent class. But now we cannot access the content using the class name directly, but this time we can access the content using the outer class reference like this. Now this time also it will work. So we have content dot print content and content dot print box info. You can see it is working absolutely fine. So this is how you can nest your classes in Kotlin. So that is all for this video, friends. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something. Thanks for watching.